This light is super bright, and the best lantern for emergencies or camping. It has an additional flashlight on the bottom, and the ability to wind up to charge in case there's no power. It has USB, USB-C, and solar charging compatibility. We like hanging it on the roof of our beach shade with its removable aluminum handles. We can take them on and off and adjust them however we like. This is a great lantern for outdoor activities and an amazing asset to your emergency bag with its multiple charging capabilities.